Welcome to Exams Daily. WBCS recruitment for 2021 has released. In this video, I'm going to share you details regarding this. This notification is received from Public Service Commission, West Bengal, regarding the notification of West Bengal Civil Service Executive Examination 2021. And this examination consists of two parts. First one is written examination and next is personality test. Those who have completed written examination, you are eligible to write personality test. And written examination consists of two stages. At first it is preliminary examination and then mains examination. For preliminary examination, it is in the type of objective type MCQ format, and mains examination comprises of two, that is objective type and also in conventional descriptive type. So those who have completed preliminary, you are eligible for mains examination. Those who have completed written examination with qualifying marks, you are eligible to write you are eligible to attend personality test. And this preliminary examination will be held at various centers in Kolkata and in other districts in West Bengal, and it is tentatively to be conducted in the month of March or April 2021. And then you can apply for only one post at a time. So you are not allowed to submit more than one application for this recruitment. And then they had announced a different post for this. They had announced a recruitment for Group A, Group B, Group C and Group D. So at first we are going to see Group A. In Group A, first post is West Bengal Civil Service Executive, and then Assistant Commissioner of Revenue in Integrated West Bengal Revenue Services, West Bengal Cooperative Service, West Bengal Labour Service, West Bengal Food and Supply Service, West Bengal Employment Service. And then pay scale for this is 56,100 to 1,44,300 rupees. And then for the post of Group B, post name is West Bengal Police Service. Pay scale for this is 56,100 to 1,44,300. And then Group C post, the posts are Superintendent District Correctional Home by Deputy Superintendent Central Correction Home, Joint Block Development Officer, Deputy Assistant Director of Consumer Affairs and Fair Business Practices, and then West Bengal Junior Social Welfare Services, West Bengal Subordinate Land Revenue Service Grade 1, Assistant Commercial Tax Officer, Joint Register, and then Assistant Canal Revenue Officer, and then Chief Controller of Correctional Services. These are the posts that comes under Group B, and pay scale for these posts are 35,800 rupees to 92,100 rupees. And then Group D post, it consists of Inspector of Cooperative Societies, Panchayat Development Officer under the Panchayat and Rural Development Department, Rehabilitation Officer under the Refugee Relief and Rehabilitation Department. And pay scale for these posts are 32,100 to 82,900 rupees. And then they had given vacancies, the number of vacancies in different services and posts to be filled up on the result of the examination will be announced in due time. And then reservation is based on the category of the vacancies may be reserved for those who are belonging to scheduled caste, scheduled tribes, backward classes, non-creamy layer of West Bengal, and then also reserved for persons with disabilities 40% and above. You will get a reservation in the notification which is released. And then qualification for this is you must complete a degree from recognized university, and then you need ability to read, write and speak in Bengali. And then those and it is not required for those whose mother tongue is Nepali. And then you must fill the requisite qualification by the closing date of submission of application. And then age limit for this is you should not below 21 years and more than 36 years. And it must be on 1st January 2000 you are eligible to apply for this. And then age recorded only in Madhyamik or equivalent certificate will be accepted. And then age limits apply to all the candidates whether in government service or not. And then relaxation is made as per government rules. And then special conditions they had given for West Bengal Police Service, you need a minimum height recruitment of 1.65 meters for male and then 1.50 meters for female candidates. And then they had given some specific conditions for specific post. I'm just giving this link in description box. You can go through that and you can check for your post and what are the things they had given for that. And then choice of groups of service and alignment they had given So for more details regarding this, you can visit this official website. And then rules regarding PWD candidates, they had given that if you are belonging to PWD candidates, just go through this. And then compensatory time is allowed for PWD candidates. It is 20 minutes per hour. And then mode of application is submitted via only online mode only. Submission of more than one application by the same candidate is strictly forbidden. And then applications are liable to cancelled. And they had given other recruitments for this post. You must be a citizen of India, and likewise detail they had given. And then fee for this recruitment is you want to pay rupees 210 plus service charge 1% of examination fee, that is minimum rupees 5 for online payment through debit card, or else service charge GST applicable by government duty, or else service charge of rupees 5 only for net banking, or else service charge of rupees 20 only for payment through bank counter. And then SC/ST of West Bengal and person with disabilities having physical disability of 40% and above, you are not required to pay any fee for this. And then certificates required for this is if you are claiming for SC/ST, BC, non-creamy layer, or person with disability and meritorious sports person, you must have a certification. And then for SC/ST non-creamy layer, they had given some instructions. And then I'm just giving this link. You can go through that and you can get more information regarding this. And then penalty. So penalty of marks will be imposed in case of disclosure of identity in an answer script of examination as per the rules of commission. And then reduction of marks, there will be a negative marking for each wrong answer. And then language of the examination, answer in all the papers compulsory and optional except the language paper. It should be written either in English or in Bengali. And then list of preliminary examination centers they had given, and then they had given some more information regarding this examination. And then medical examination. So once those who are selected for appointment, you want to require to appear for a medical board examination certificate. And then canvas, they had given canvassing. Any attempt of part of candidate to enlist support for his application through persons, officials of government or any agencies. The recommendation from persons interested in candidates otherwise known to them will be disregarded and will render the candidates ineligible. And then result of examination, the names of candidates who are all called for personality test and recommended for appointment will be published provisionally, subject to determination of eligibility of the candidates. And then they had given important dates: commencement of online application by 24 January 2020 and closing date of submission of online application is by 15th January 2021. And then closing date for submission of fees through online is 15th January 2021. And then closing date for submission of fees through offline is 16th January 2021. These are the things they had given in this official notification. So I'm just giving this link in description box. You can go through that and you can get more information regarding this. Hope this video is useful for you. Do follow our channel for more and more updated videos. Thanks for watching.